What's going on, everybody? It's a rainy day in the beautiful city of Orlando, Florida, and I'm headed to Advanced Auto Parts to pick up some stuff to do an oil change. I'm driving my sister's car and I look up at her sticker and I notice, hey, it's time for an oil change. So me being the brother that I am, you know what I'm saying, I said, hey, why not? You know, I got her vehicle, go ahead and do it. It's not gonna take me that long. And ladies, that is a key to life. If you have a man that sees things needs to be done and he just does them, he doesn't ask you like, hey, you know, blah blah blah, he just does it. So my sister doesn't even know that I'm doing this. She'll see it eventually because I'm gonna put a new sticker up there. But yeah, so I'm about to go in here. If Buddy could come on and move out the way and get what I need to get so I can get this oil change. And yes, it's raining, so that's not gonna stop nothing. It's gonna be quick, easy, and simple. So we got the car jacked up. What we're gonna go ahead and do, let's take this off. Alright, I'll leave it right there. As you can see, the oil filter is right there. Some people like to take it loose from right here with their hand, but for me, it's just easier being up under the car. So we're gonna take it, and we're gonna do it from down here. But right here is the oil pan on the car, so we're gonna use that right there to take it loose. That's a 14mm socket. See the oil's coming out. Ooh, that oil black.
That is disgusting.
So it's done dripping. I mean, it's just gonna drip like a little bit from here, you know, but that's fine. So we just gonna put the screw back in. Hand's slippery. Alright, I'm gonna tighten it up. So now we got the new filter, the bolt back on. Now we're gonna start putting our oil in here. Alright. Let's go under here. Make sure no oil leaks. Alright, let's drive this bad boy.